Yesterday I made this video that talked about 100% done for you AI business setup. And in the description of the video on YouTube, I put this website link. While viewers loved this video, they are also confused with all the information that I shared in the video. And some of them has a valid question. What is the catch? How do I benefit from this? How do you benefit from this? Although I explained it clearly, people are still confused, and it is not your fault. Because when you go to social media, you search for side hustle for 9 to 5 hours or an easy business for extra income for people who already have a job, you will see tons of people are creating content, giving advice, and claiming to have made millions of dollars. It's crazy, confusing. Who is right? Who is wrong? What actually works? What doesn't? Is it easy for me? Can I do it? What if I fail? Well, my friend, it boils down to asking yourself one simple question. Why do you think these people make these kind of long videos every single day? Even Mr. Mosh Bari claims that he made over $10 million online, and he makes short videos every day and long videos like this every day. Sometimes I even shoot 2 long videos. Transparency time, my friend. It's only 3 P's. If you know what they are, you will know everything. People have pain, and to get rid of their pains, they buy painkiller. Pain can also be called as problem, and painkiller can be called a product. Did you notice everything is P? People, pain, problem, painkiller, product, all P. Let me give you an example. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts, then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this, they will get help, and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. This mic looks simple. This is one of the best mics for podcasts, for videos, for studio quality voice recording. Let me show you the setup for this mic behind the scene. You cannot see how it's working on my desk, how it's connected to my computer, and how my voice is going to you. This screenshot of this video tells you the full story. Let me show you one by one. This is the mic, and he has 2. It is fixed on this stand, and the mic is connected to something called Cloud Lifter. This blue device is connected to this device, and this device is connected to the computer. That's exactly how my setup is behind the scene, and you can't see it. Can you imagine how many pieces do I need to carry when I travel? In my case, I have a little counterweight as well because it's too heavy. And by the way, every different component connects with another component with a different kind of cable. Just to get awesome quality sound, I have to bear this pain years after years. Being the people with a huge pain, I decided to spend my money to buy the painkiller. And here is the little painkiller. This little mic gives you almost the same quality as this mic. And it came in a box like this. You open the box. One mic is here, one mic is here, another mic I'm using, and there is a connector that's connected to a second voice recorder. Although I can use it directly to the computer, but I'm using it as a backup voiceover. So for any reason, if this voiceover doesn't work, this mic doesn't work, and my video is mute, wasting all my time of recording, I still have a backup voiceover, and it took me only $150. Okay, now I know you are again confused. Mosh, where is the money? I'm here for money. Show me the money. All right, let's keep this video screenshot here and let's talk about another 2 P's because they are important to make you money. One of the P's are producers of this painkiller, and another P are the promoters of the painkiller. These producers are busy with producing the painkillers, manufacturing the painkillers. They don't have time to promote their painkillers, so they go and get promoters to promote their painkillers. The promoter's job is to create video content like this, advertisers like this. So when people who have the money looks for a painkiller, they can find it from the promotions of the promoter. And when they buy, the promoter makes a percentage of this sale and the producers will get a percentage of this sale. All the parties involved in this sale earns money. Is it a bit clear now? It's all P's. People, pain, painkiller, producer, promoter. Money is going out of people's pocket and coming into producers and promoters' pocket. Now, do you have the skills? Do you have enough money? Do you have the ability to produce painkillers? Products? Can you become a producer? No, you can't become a producer? Well, I guessed so. That's why, my friend, becoming a promoter for a beginner is super easy. Becoming a producer is extremely hard. These promoters are also called affiliates. And this promotion, all these people who are producing content every day, giving you money-making advice, are promoters. They make money by attracting you to their content, by giving you great content, the content that exactly what you are looking for. And when you buy from them, they make a percentage of that sale. In my case, I remember I bought the full setup from the links in the description of this video 5 years back, and it is still solving me the problem of making this video and explain the whole money-making affiliate marketing model to you. By the way, this is the kind of setup this microphone requires, and this whole setup can be completely replaced by something like this, completely wireless, and it can fit in a tiny place like this. Now, as this part is clear, you have questions, and the common question is how? I am sure by now I already gave you the answer. I already told you that these people are making content to get you to watch their content, fall in love with them, trust them, and eventually buy from them. Which also means you, my friend, as a promoter, as an affiliate, need to create content, short form videos and long form videos. For the beginners, we can forget about long form videos and completely focus on short form videos, which can be 30 seconds to 60 seconds long. When you make content and publish them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, these platforms will send you viewers. Eyeballs, my friend, eyeballs. Think about this. These eyeballs are the real people who have the pain. And these are the people who are looking for solving their pain via a painkiller. So when your content solves their problem, kills their pain, they buy from you. Now this is good so far. You understood how it works, why people make content, why people teach others how to make money online. Because they want to sell something to you. Super simple. The promoter makes money, the producer makes money, and the people, the customer, get their problem solved. Okay, now the next question is how? This is actually a really big problem, because when it comes to making content, even my students who are making commissions like this for a single sale, although they're okay with making content because our course and our program guides them and makes it super easy for them, still no one wants to show their faces. People are naturally camera shy. Heck, even me, after making thousands of videos, making 5 to 10 short videos and at least 2 long videos every single day, I'm still camera shy. So the content creation has a pain, which is camera shyness. We need a painkiller for that. The painkiller is AI. While AI is the solution of the problem and it kills your camera shyness pain, AI is expensive. The AI softwares are expensive. This page takes you to a solution. I will put this page link below this video as well. If you click on this button, it takes you to this website, and this website shows you what kind of video content you can make with AI. So this expense problem is solved with a one-time payment software. With this you can make faceless viral content, literally short and long content. With this content you get people, you have them buy from you, and as a promoter you make money. Any product, any service, anything at all. But you, my friend, still need more info. How to do it? I have never done this before in my life. Well, follow me. See what I do. Create a social profile like mine. Upload contents like mine. And remember to write a correct bio to attract your viewers towards you and your content. Then put a link in the bio that works exactly like mine. So what is this website? This is not a stand store. It has one headline, a few bullet points, a little moving image, and if you click to watch the training, it asks for your email. And once you put your email, it takes you to a training page. Okay, please remember, these are important steps Without these steps, you will probably never make money. I don't want to go through the mechanisms of why this system works, because this training itself shows you the mechanism step by step completely clearly. So I highly recommend watch this training. So click the link in the description for a 99% done for you program. This video will show you how the beginner members of our program makes money like this, and like this while working for a 9-to-5 day job, living a busy family life, and even traveling the world like Osman. Osman has a 9-to-5 day job and he traveled over 150 countries. Jason works for the government, completely busy guy, and he works in multiple shifts. Now I can go on and on with their stories. This video will show you how we help these beginners earn this kind of commissions completely passively with our 99% done for you system. And after watching this video, if you still have questions, feel free to ask our AI chat assistant. It will give you the right answer. If you still have questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Links are in the description. Go check them out. So this whole setup is extremely important to make real money. Now, why do I use this kind of page? Just to answer you in one shortcut, we want to be able to email our email subscribers. Just like Amazon sends emails every day. YouTube sends email every day. TikTok and Facebook sends you email every day because they want to be on top of your inbox, on top of your newsfeed, on top of your mind. So you don't forget them and you come back to them over and over. We want the same benefits. We want to be able to email our email subscribers, build relationship and trust with them. And that's why we only use this kind of website and it makes money guaranteed. Now, my friend, tell me something. Do you have the skill to build the one-page website that I just showed you? I mean, this website? Of course you have. But do you have the ability to spend $297 per month to pay for the service that allows us to build this kind of page for us and for our members and host them all the time, keep them alive all the time? We do not have to worry about virus attack, hackers attack. We know that this website is always up. We don't need to care about hosting service and all. But for that, we pay $297 a month. Do you want to pay that yourself? If yes, go ahead, do it. Do you know how to write emails effectively that goes to your email subscribers inbox and not in the spam box, not in the promotion box, and email in a way that they actually open the email, click your links and actually buy from you? So you make money, my friend. No, you don't have the skill? That's awesome, because we offered to do it for you. Again, on this website, I told you that there is a chat bot. This AI chat agent is our own software. We built it, we installed it, and it answers just like us. Do you have AI to automatically reply to your visitors? No? Then leave it to us. Do you have this kind of training video that will persuade your visitors and convince them to buy from you? You don't have this webinar? Awesome. You don't need it because you can use ours. All these things needs a setup. It's a manual work. They are not automated. We set all this up for our members of the program, and that's why they can make money easily. They can focus on creating valuable content, attract people who are looking for solution to their pain, and eventually those people buy from our promoters. The promoters make their commission and the producers make their cut. So my friend, in this video, instead of just trying to promote you a product so you buy and I make money, I made a complete solution just for you so you can make money from our work. And the reason we want to do it is then we want to go out and shout from the mountaintop that somebody made money from our offer, from our product, from our program, from our service. And this is also how we stand out from all these other content creators. Well, they get millions of views. I don't get millions of views, but because my system works, my content works. And that's why not only I make money, I also help others make money. Before I finish this video, I want to give you a complete disclaimer. Whatever results I showed you were either my results or other people's results. None of those are a get-rich-quick scheme. There is no easy money. There is simple money, but not easy money. All the people I showed you, they put in their effort. Of course, it was maximum maybe 45 minutes to 90 minutes a day, but they still had to do it consistent. The results are not typical. Somebody made $300, somebody made $500, somebody made multiple $1,000. Depends on various factors. With this video, my friend, not only I shared my knowledge and experience with you, but also complete transparency. I hope you loved this video. If yes, smash the like button. What? You hated this video? It's okay. Then share with your friends and family, because maybe you hated, but it will be useful to them. And if this video benefits your friends and family, your social media contacts, they will pray for you and you will be blessed, inshallah. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and switch on the notification bell button. This way you will get notified by YouTube when we upload our next video. For more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.